Phoenixies, welcome back to my channel. So today in my video I'm gonna show you how you can make very easy paper doll with just some colored papers, nothing else. So right now over here I've taken this skin colored paper. I know that camera is not showing the exact same color, but trust me, it's a cream color which is basically skin color. So once I made these two shapes over here, as you can see, this will be the legs, so I'll cut them equally. Then what I'll do is that I'll take the same paper again and then I'll make two another coilings which will be the hands of the doll. Okay, so now as you can see, these two hands are also now ready. I'll just cut them together equally and then I'll fold them from the joints and the legs as well. So now once I'm done doing that, I'll take another piece of same colored skin colored paper over here and I'll make this palm face. So I'll make this palm over here and I'll just stick them together onto the tip of the hands. Yeah, so now once the hands are ready, now what I'll do is that I'll take a tissue paper over here. So now what I'll do is that I'll take a white paper over here and then cover the same thing with this skin color paper. So once I'm doing this, let me call my very beautiful scissor and tweezer over here.
Hi Phoenix, I am Tweezer.
Hi Tweezer, where is your friend Scissor?
She is busy with some upcoming secret projects.
Oh, okay. So over here Phoenixies, now what I'll do is that I'll start applying all these body parts of the doll together so that it can combine and make a doll body. Once that is done, I'll also put some hands over here, and then when I'm done doing that, over here I'll just take another piece of same paper over here and then I'll just make a coiling. Once that is done, I'll take a white tissue paper and then I'll just crush it together using some glue, and then I'll insert this one side, this coiling, so it will be the head and the neck of the doll. Now I'll take another same cream color paper and I'll put some glue over here and then I'll just cover the head with this paper.
Hey Phoenix, you know there's a Phoenixies who wants to say hi to you, Vidhi Chauhan.
Oh, hi Vidhi, how are you? I hope you are doing well, and I really hope you also are watching this video and going to make this doll very soon for yourself. So it's very easy, as I'm telling you all guys, that you just have to cover it with some skin colored paper like I did with the body, and once this is done, the head part is completed. Now I'll just keep it to get dried. Now over here I've taken a printout out of a very cute doll face and I'll stick that on top of it because I was getting so many requests and you guys were commenting that a lot, that my doll faces sometimes are little tricky and you guys are not able to make it. So I just did this very simple trick where you can use a printout and put it on top of the doll's head, so you don't have to make the eyes and all that, and it's very easy. So once that is done, I'll start making the doll dress. Over here I'm using this crepe paper and I'll just apply this onto the body this way. So over here I'm going for a purple and pink kind of combination, and it's a very pretty and bright color, so that's what I'm gonna do over here. Then I'll take the same crepe paper into this very bright pink color shade and then I'll just start making the doll dress, the doll skirt basically.
Phoenix, listen, how do you manage to bring such innovative and creative ideas every time for us?
It's because I love you all so much that I want to bring more and more beautiful and creative ideas for you every time, because you all are my favorite and loveliest Phoenixies. and that's why I brought this tutorial as well for those who don't want to paint the doll and don't want to use any fabrics too. Can make this only made out of paper handmade doll, and it's very easy as well. As you can see, the skirt is already ready, and I'll just put this part on top and another part on the back side as well, and then I'll just close the sides over here. Now once this is done, as you can see, I'll just make another piece over here with the same pink colored paper over here, and then I'll just stick them together, so this will give me a bow kind of effect. Then over here, as you can see, I'll be applying this to the neckline of the doll and then make it in an off shoulder kind of dress. Now once that is done, again I'll take the pink colored paper over here and I'll put some glue. Once that is done, I'll give a shoe over here. It's a shoe shape, and then I'll just repeat the same thing and make another one as well. And then what I'll do is that I'll take this shoe and I'll apply it onto the feet of the doll. This way, yes. And then some jewelry as well.
Stop! Please tell me how you made this beautiful blonde hair.
My darling tweezer, I have already shown my Funexies the tutorial for making these beautiful and absolutely stunning wigs on my previous videos, so they can go and check that out. So guys, I really hope you all liked this video and found this tutorial really helpful. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment below which doll would you like to see next. Till next time, bye bye.
Ding, 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 ding. Whoa. Hi.
Are you a fairy?
Yes, I am. Can you grant us wishes, please? Yes, I can grant you 3 wishes, 1 each. Yay! Okay, I want my nose to be pretty. Abracadabra, choo! My nose!
Anyways, what about my wish? Huh?
Sure, anything you want.
I want a beautiful dress.
Sure. Abracadabra, choo!
I can't see no more. Oh no. Let them go. I want the most expensive cat in the world.
Let me think. Sure. Abracadabra, choo!
Huh? What? The cat? Oh
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.